Now I'm going to come on to our second practice for establishing common ground. As a reminder, common ground is a key aspect for good communication and coordination. And as an incident commander, it's a key part of our role to use common ground to help us to improve those core aspects. Reminder on common ground again is that everyone engaged in the incident response is clear on the current knowledge, beliefs, and assumptions. So when we say we're establishing common ground, we're trying to make sure people have the same knowledge, beliefs, and assumptions going through the incident. So today is around the second point, so the second practice, which is sustaining common ground, okay? This is whereby we insert various clarifications and reminders to ensure everyone has a chance to challenge or to test those assumptions. Now let's practice this through an example. Take a look at this example. So again, you may have seen this from a previous practice where you have Slack logs where the incident manager updates and says the SEV2 website issues for Japan only. And you can see actions back from Shay. Let me check the app logs. Tanya, let me check our infrastructure metrics. And Tinus, I believe this is a breach of our regulatory requirements for Japan, calling our compliance team. Okay. So what we do here is that you'll see that as an incident manager, I'm going to set, this is about, as an incident manager, this is my set of knowledge, beliefs, and assumptions. So first of all, knowledge, it's 5% of the user base. Japan office, it was 5%, that's SEV2, okay? Now, beliefs and knowledge, okay, beliefs and assumptions, sorry, is that Japan is a regulated region that may need to reach out and inform them, okay? So this is what I believe. Tanya and Shay are checking their respective areas. Tinus is contacting the compliance team to inform them of reported issues with the Japan region, and the compliance team will be available to help and guide us on the next steps. Okay, so this is the mental model or the common ground as an incident manager that I have in my mind or my head as I read the various Slack messages during the incident. Now, the next step is establishing common ground, is replaying that mental model back into the channel just to clarify things and get assertions that, yes, we're on the same page, okay? And this is, for example, a state where it's very simple. The incident manager will repeat, look, I've got a SEV2 here, website issues for Japan region only. Tanya and Shay doing initial triage work on their respective areas, expecting updates in the next 5 minutes. So as Shay and Tanya, I'm reading that thinking, okay, yep, we're on this, and yep, the incident manager expecting us to get back to them within 5 minutes. Tinus is reaching out to compliance to clarify next steps regarding the regulatory requirements. Okay, Tinus, can you please update this channel once you have clarity? Okay, so again, Tinus, I'm letting everyone else know that a regulatory changes and Tinus is owning it. And I'm expecting Tinus to come back to me once he has clarity. Okay, and then finally, I'm asking Bob from customer services, can you please reconfirm that the customer impact is only reported Japan only, please? Because I have a current assumption that it's SEV2. Okay, so this is just validating, confirming that, yep, it's SEV2 Japan only. And that simple sort of gathering up my train of thought and replaying it back into the channel is just establishing common ground where we have a set of knowledge, beliefs, and assumptions, okay? And people say, yep, that makes sense. Or someone might flag up, Bob might come back and say, you know what, this is now hitting the UK. And suddenly then the knowledge and context changes to maybe it's from a SEV1, it moved from a SEV2 to a SEV1, and the troubleshooting can change. Now you think, it's not just Japan, it's UK, we need to redirect our changes, okay? So by doing these things, and this is all about good communication and good coordination, which is a key aspect of the role. So there you have it. That wraps up this practice. I recommend go ahead, get stuck into a drill, and go and practice these skills. Thank you.